you guys ready to see what we've done? We have been super busy with this chicken coop. There's Libby and Limpy. So you guys have seen what we've had around here. It's been pretty thrown together, but it's worked for us all these years. And we kind of wanted to upgrade a little bit. So I'm ready to show you what we've done. Let's see if I can push record ever and not have that little rooster's mouth in it. He is mouthy. All right, so here it is. The new matching chicken coop with the new shed and its new attached run on the end. How's that for pretty cool? Hear that every time. Even the back little quail pen matches now. Everything is navy blue and white. Steve did an amazing job on this run. It has the metal roof on it. It is so super sturdy. And it has these really cool doors, like dog kennel panel doors on each side so that they stay shut. We're not always going to be trying to scoop the dirt out from underneath. The doors will just open on their own. It looks really good. He did such a great job on it. So Steve also made two little pop doors on each end of the shed. So they have one covered dog run down here that I got on Marketplace for a great deal. And then there's also a pop door on the other end that goes into the big run so that they can use both sides or one or the other, however I wish to do it. And then there's the little chick coop. I don't know if I'm going to keep that in there or not, but for now it's working well. Got some little chicks in there. They get to hang out with all their friends so they see them, and then in a few weeks they'll be able to come out. There's that adorable little Cochin bantam using the pop door. She is so sweet. And this girl turned 13 last week. We're out here taking a walk now that it's cooled down for the day, but she can still walk over a mile with no problems at all when it's not too hot. She could go further than that actually if she wanted. She still runs, and I have to try to keep up with her. And Lily's life has been full of the craziest antics and eating things that she shouldn't throughout the years that anybody who knows her well can't believe that she made it to 13. Not to mention having the 2 cancer surgeries that she had when she was 8 and then 9 too. So she has lived a long, full life. So that's the big news. We've been busy working on that now all summer. It's been crazy, but it's finally done. We have one last thing to do, which is replace the fencing. So they're going to have a little bit smaller of a fenced in area, but it's going to be all new with nice matching T-posts. Oh, and a little gate there as well, a little fancy gate. So that'll be done here in the next couple weeks, and then it will completely be finished. And we also finally got all those trees taken care of and hauled away. So that is all clean too. So Steve and I are ready to finish this up and kind of enjoy some summer. Well, there's still some summer left. And then when it's all done, the chickens will have their area back there. The garden will have its own little area over there, and the orchard out front. And I am just really, really thrilled with this back here. It's perfect, and it has room to do the chicks, to do bantams, to do the meat birds back here. I can do turkeys if I want. I can do goats if I want. Steve doesn't like that idea, but it's a possibility. So everything is looking good. We went from all of that mismatched stuff to making it look just a little bit better, which was our goal, and I think we did that. In case you were wondering how many chickens I have this year. They're still coming. It's gonna come as a shock, but I have too many chickens. Imagine that. So I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys the next time.